What are those Neanderthals up to? Don't they know I'm busy spoiling myself?
Here?
Sure. We already have the music.
And Gabby and I can be the dancers, and you can be the audience.
If your back doesn't hurt too much.
Oh, no, I'd love to be the audience.
Okay, then. Let the ballet begin.
Ah!
Oh, sorry.
Oh.
Big Bird.
Yeah, I'll be careful. Now, this ballet is called the Ouchy Back Ballet.
The Ouchy Back Ballet, ah.
Yes, it's the beautiful story of a handsome Louis Bird, that's me, who hurts his back, and the beautiful fairy princess,
That's me.
who helps him get better. And now, the Ouchy Back Ballet.
Once upon a time, a handsome bird named Luis was flying around when all of a sudden he bent over to get a delicious worm, and then he hurt his back. What could he do? He couldn't fly, he couldn't stand up, he didn't even get the worm, and along came a fairy princess.
Ah!